Hello there, this is Deborah, and today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be making some Confetti Swirl soap. This is cold processed soap. I've already shredded up some soap here. I'm going to be adding it later on into this oil that you see here. My method of today's preparing the soap is using the heat transfer method. And what that consists of is just adding your lye water into your unmelted oils. And then you just, after that, you just do a lot of stirring until your oils are melted. I really like this process. I've been using it for a few months now, and I'm enjoying it. I probably will go back to the temperature one as well, because I get bored real quick. So far I've been enjoying this, but I've been missing the other way, where you just have to have your oils at a certain temperature and your water and your lye water at a certain temperature. Okay, as you can see, it's just moving right along. Now you can see the oils are turning a little bit gold there. That's probably from the sponification, taking this process with the different oils that I have to make the soap here. So you just basically want to stir it. As you can see, it came to a completion. Now I've speeded this up a little bit there, so you can see I've added some kaolin clay, and I'm just going to go ahead and let you enjoy the video, and I will come back in and out of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. with the cut of the soap. As you can see, it's not as orange as it was. Hopefully there'll be some darker orange inside. There's a little few soft spots on the side, but overall it's pretty firm. I hope it's a little more oranger inside. This is a custom order, and basically this is what they wanted. So hopefully it will be a little orangey inside for the focus of the energy. Wow, pretty nice. I was really concerned about me when I was making that little spoon swirl that I might have went through where the confetti was, but I'm really glad I didn't. All right. Oh, that's pretty cool. Basically, they did want some confetti soap, but they also wanted something to represent energy. So hopefully they like it. I did add some biodegradable glitter on top, so hopefully they will like that also. I'm pretty impressed here. I would have liked the swirl to have been a little more fluid, my soap, but it started thickening up just a little bit, so just kind of gave it a spoon swirl. My customer was mostly concerned about having some orange and the blue and these colors that you see. As far as the confetti, it didn't matter, so hopefully they will like these colors. They said they liked it purple, they liked it yellow, and different colors, but they didn't want the energy to be yellow. They wanted that color to be, sorry about that, moving the camera is too close. They wanted the energy to have that orange look. So anyway, I think they've been pretty pleased. I went with the confetti because they wanted some other colors, but they didn't want them together. That makes sense. Well, you know, that's what you do with a custom order. You just try to please your customer there. So it's different, and I do like it. Got the camera a little too close there. Yeah, I was just really didn't want to take the spoon and spoon the swirl down through the confetti. One of the reasons I was able not to do that was because I did let the soap with the confetti sit for a few minutes to harden up a little bit, and that, I think that really helped it there. So I think they're going to be pretty pleased, and it smells amazing. We used Energy Fragrance Oil by Blackberry. I think I'm saying that right, because they wanted energy. They wanted the fragrance that would be close to the notes that they was looking for. So I did look at the notes also that was in it. And I will put that in the description area as well. So this is pretty cool. Like I said, they wanted purple, they wanted some different colors, and when I kind of suggested the confetti, they said go for it. So that's what we have here. So I'm just pretty stoked about the colors, and because it didn't quite look like it was going to look like this, but it looks pretty good. I think they're going to be pretty pleased, and I just know they're going to love the smell. I will put the notes to this fragrance in my description, along with where I purchased the colors from, and hopefully my customer is pretty happy with this. I will have a few bars left, and I am upgrading my website, so hopefully it would be there. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be coming to an end here. I look forward to see what 2020 holds for us, and hopefully I can get more videos going. That's a little bit, but that's going to be fine. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Look forward to getting more videos. Bye bye now.